Okay, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Tesla. Is the stock reversing? If it is, then we need to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction on the chart and play a market move to the upside. Now, before I talk about it, welcome to my channel. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I try to ensure that we are ahead of the game, that we are ahead of our competitors, so that we may profit more often than they would, all because of the edge that we have on this channel. So if you guys want to learn more, follow me, hit that like, share, and subscribe. So now the question that we're going to try to answer is the stock reversing in Tesla? Is the stock going to rally soon? Well, first of all, when we did our price prediction in Tesla back there on the 5th of February, we anticipated price to go down. We had these two pockets of buying right here for Tesla. Okay. This first pocket of buying, the buyers didn't show up. But that second pocket, they did. Okay. So these pockets, I'm telling you, is very powerful. They're like magnets that price tries to go towards. So pretty good call there. 13.29% in a couple of days. So let's go ahead and get rid of that prediction. Let's get rid of this buy pocket. We're going to hold this one here because those buyers definitely showed up. From us getting a sell signal to the next day price moving higher. That tells you buyers were there. So now, given that we've just seen price trend down, we need to create this pocket of selling right here. Okay, so we're just stair stepping. You guys can see price is stair stepping its way down with these pockets. We really can't be that confident in price in Tesla going higher until we see these buyers breaking these pockets to the upside, these sell pockets to the upside. Okay, so even though we do see the small bounce, that's cool, but we need to see the buyers break pockets. That's what we need to see in order for us to gain confidence that this market is going to continue to go in that direction. So let's look at Tesla on the 2. Okay, so currently we're still seeing that sell signal right there in the market in Tesla. The reason why we knew that there was a high chance of buyers holding this pocket right here was because of what they did back in November, early December. The market supported itself there. It didn't fall. So we came back to this price. Those buyers, presumably, they still want to buy there. Okay. So now let's look at Tesla on the 3. So it looks pretty decent on the 3. I like how price was able to go higher following this massive weakness bar here on the 3. Because the expectation from this 3-day price bar is for price to continue to go lower. And as we can tell, that didn't play out like that. Price continued to go the opposite direction and went up. Here it is on the 4. Okay. This 4-day price bar, it makes me a little nervous that those sellers still may be in Tesla, but those buyers definitely came through as well. So now it's kind of like a tug of war of buyers and sellers. Here it is on the 5. Tesla on the weekly chart. Here it is on the 2. 3, now give it this arrow. Here it is on the 5. Yeah, 5 definitely looks weak there. So now let's look at this on the 5-hour chart. We're trying to make a determination if the market is still bullish. Currently, I would say yes. Here's a pocket of buying right here. Let's look at this on the 1. And let's look at this on the 330. Yeah, I think the market wants to go higher, but it doesn't look extremely bullish yet. We may see the market completely take out this pocket of selling. We might go a little bit higher, maybe midpoint between this pocket of selling and that pocket of selling, and then continue to see a move down. So if we were to put in a prediction, 2.86% at the low of this sell pocket to almost 6% there at 381.25, And if we look for the market, well, midpoint is around 10% move higher. So yeah, I'm not going to put on a prediction on this, but I do think that would be my opinion, is that price in Tesla is trying to go higher. But considering that it's so small of a move in price to that pocket of selling, I'm not going to drop a price prediction. But that would be my expectation though. So I'm not going to put one now, because to me it just doesn't feel appropriate to drop a prediction, considering that we're definitely in a downtrend in Tesla, and the move to the upside to me is just not worth it to look for the price going 5-10% to the upside right now, especially when I really don't see a true confidence of buyers trying to control this price. I really don't see that too much, which is one reason why I'm standing on the sideline. I can definitely see it on the 3. That definitely is telling me that buyers are in the market, but that's only one time frame out of many that we went through that I just don't see Tesla wanting to go extremely high. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna leave it right there, but we'll see. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.